Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Samsung Odyssey G65B 32-inch curved gaming monitor, a display built to deliver serious immersion and speed. This monitor features a sharp QHD resolution, giving you noticeably more detail than standard Full HD. Text looks crisp, environments appear more defined, and everything feels cleaner whether you're gaming or multitasking. With Display HDR 600 support, you also get stronger contrast, brighter highlights, and deeper shadows that make scenes pop. Performance is where this monitor really stands out. The 240 Hz refresh rate, combined with a fast 1 millisecond response time, keeps motion smooth and responsive, which is crucial in competitive titles. AMD FreeSync Premium Pro helps eliminate tearing and stuttering, so gameplay stays fluid even during intense moments. The 1000R curve wraps around your field of view, pulling you deeper into the action and making long sessions feel more engaging. You also get height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, plus VESA compatibility for flexible setup options. One thing to keep in mind is that it's a bit on the heavier side, so mounting or moving it may require some effort. Overall, the Odyssey G65B delivers strong visuals, high refresh performance, and immersive design in one powerful package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.